Hello, welcome to LMS tutorial with me, Risa Mufliharsi MPD. First, login scenes. In this scene, you will have to type your username and password and click Login in the top corner on your screen. After logging in, you will see your dashboard page and directly find your class, which is Active Reading. And click Active Reading. After you click Active Reading, you will see feature scenes. In this feature scene, you will see the materials in Active Reading like reviewing, determining topic, discovering main idea, pattern of organization, making inference, summarizing, and review. And if you're done with the materials, if you're wondering about your grades, then you can click Grades. Here you can see all your scores for all activities. And now we will explore more what's inside the materials. In each lesson section, you will have 3 activities. First, pre-class activities. Second, in-class activities. Third, post-class activities. But before you do the 3 activities, please read the objectives of the lessons. Next, we will see what's inside the pre-class activities. First, key concept. In this key concept, you will watch a video and also have a brief explanation about the lesson. If you're done with the key concept, you can go back to the previous page and click the next material. Comprehending phase. Click Attempt Quiz now to start attempt. Here you will see some questions and you need to answer them. After you finish all, don't forget to submit. After that, you'll see the review of your answers. If there is an essay question, you just need to write it in the provided box. Next, you can go to the essay section. In this essay section, you will start a tab and then you will have some questions, and then you need to type your own answers by typing in the provided box. After you're done with all questions in the essay section, please click Finish Attempt. And as the last activity in the pre-class activity, you will click What do you think? In this section, you will reflect what you have learned from the material. In this section, you will need to type your own reflection regarding the material and post it to forum. Then you may go to the in-class activities. First, interactive discussion. In this section, you will have interactive discussion that will discuss about what you got from the previous class. Next, meet me. In this section, you will meet virtually with
share
your
to
lecturer
care.
by
In here,
clicking
you need to
Attend
express
Room.
your opinion based on
Next
questions.
is extend your knowledge.
Click reply to express your
In this
opinion.
section, you will watch a video and read a brief explanation about the lesson. Next is discussion section. In this discussion section, you will need to discuss with your team and then present it here. Next, assignment section.
Next, attendance. You can mark your attendance here. Next, refresher. Here, you need answer the questions and put your answers in the box. Next is Meet Me. Just click the link and you will be directed to the Gmeet room to meet me. Next, connecting ideas. Here, you will get additional information for each topic. read of discussion. In here, you will discuss with your friends about the material. Next is your turn. Here you will see some questions and you need to answer them. After you finish all, don't forget to submit it. Next, reflection. Here you need to reflect what you've got from the material. Next, individual report.
In this section, you will need to read carefully about the instructions and then go to the link. After clicking the link, you will need to select the theme, select the text complexity level, and also select the story based on the given instructions. After selecting the theme, text complexity level, and the story, then click on the Begin button. After that, you will see a text appear on your screen, and then you need to read that text. After you're done reading, let's click Done Reading. Next, you will have some questions regarding to the reading text that you read previously. After you finish all questions, click Done, and you can directly see your score. After you get your score, please screenshot it and save it and upload here. Thank you very much. And remember, reading is the gateway skill that makes all other learning possible. Quiz section. In this quiz section, you will start a temp, and you need to answer all the questions here. After you're done answering all questions, click Finish Attempt. And then you may go to the reflection section. In this reflection section, you will reflect what you have learned from the material and also what you need to improve. And now we're in the post-class activities. First, essay. In this section, you'll be given some instructions by your lecturer, and then you need to consider the grading criteria before submitting your work. And as the last activity in the post-class, you will have the assignment section. In this section, your lecturer will give you assignment, and then you need to consider the time remaining of the assignment before submitting it. And then you're all done with all the activities in each class. But before you're done, please tick in the given boxes in each class before you log out.